Okay, I'm here at MCTI, and there's a random cat sitting here by the door. And, yep, there's a cat, and I'm here at MCTI, and there's a cat sitting here by the door, twitching its ears, sitting here looking like it wants to come in.
You got a beat on there, you gotta go out.
Cat's just sitting here by the door. This is a random cat. Random cat sitting here by the door. So guys, the random cat just showed up here at the door at MCTI.
Face, look this way, smile. Say cheese.
The random cat here sitting at the door that wants to come in.
Hey,
He's like, I'm lonely and I have no family. I need a family. That's what the cat's like. The cat's like, I'm lonely and I need a family. And the cat's like, yum, yum, yum. Yup. And the cat's going to be here for a while. So, cat's getting itchy, itchy, itchy.
are you gonna give me a picture with this cat or what?
I'm making my video, man.
Okay, then do that and get in there and make a full picture.
See you, man. The cat's working. There's a random cat here. Oh, the cat's going away. The cat's going away. The cat's going away. Oh, and the cat sits down over there.
Maybe we got a spillage emergency.
What?
There's a, we want to look at a mop.
What?
You missed it. There's some.
No, you can't even go get a mop because the canteen's not even open. Oh wait, you can just go ask someone in Custodio and that works in that area. Or like works in has a job. Cat's cleaning itself. Cat's doing what cat can do. Cat's cleaning itself. It's a random cat. Someone got some water there for the cat. That was nice. I have no idea where this cat came from. This homeless cat. Some homeless cat. In the water. Someone left some water there for the cat. And that's it. And the cat's gonna be here for a while.